During our last session, the students that I'm mentoring and I discussed the benefit of using Claude 3 Haiku from Anthropic, which is a powerful and intelligent module in Amazon Bedrock. We looked at some information on Claude 3, how to sign up, and how to start using it. I am curious to know if you have had any experience with Claude before, and if so, do you prefer it over ChatGPT? One of the modules that is in this Amazon Bedrock that I've been using a lot that I want to introduce to you guys is Claude 3. I think it's Haiku. It is just like ChatGPT. And this Claude 3 is made by this company called Anthropic. Just like OpenAI makes ChatGPT, Anthropic made Claude 3. This is the company, Anthropic. One of the modules they have is this Claude module, which is just like ChatGPT. So I'll click on Claude here. This is the Claude information if you want to read more about it. So under this Claude, they have different module. This is the Haiku, I'll just call it that. And this is the Sonnet and this Opus here. You know how we have ChatGPT 3.5 and ChatGPT 4? Their reasoning is much better. Like ChatGPT 4's reasoning is much better than ChatGPT 3.5. Right? This is the same thing too. So you can see here on the scale of intelligence, this Haiku is light and fast, but then this supposed to be more intelligent, and this is even the most powerful. Right now, Anthropic has Claude 3 Haiku free to use. You can use it just like you guys sign up for ChatGPT. You can sign up for this, and this is what I've been using. I've been using it for different use case, and it is very, very good. And here, if you want to find more information on it, you can. You can see all these cloud companies that are also using these modules. You can sign up. So if you go to Claude right here, you can try using it. It will bring you to their sign up page. It's the same process as you used to sign up for ChatGPT. It will bring you here where you can start asking a question. One thing I like about it is how it delivers the output for what you are asking it. One of the things I asked it when I was just testing it out is I told it to write a simple Terraform code to create EC2. So you can see here, this is the Claude 3 Haiku. Of the three modules, this is the one that is free to use. And if I press that, so I like this a lot. I think it is very clean. Then right after that, it is giving you the step-by-step on how to use it. We can also do the same thing with ChatGPT and see. I just want to compare the two. So you can see what this wrote, and here, just going to copy that, paste it in ChatGPT, press enter. And this is the ChatGPT 4. So this is the paid version. You can see what ChatGPT wrote. I'll let you guys be the judge. This is what ChatGPT 4 wrote. This is the paid version. Claude 3 Haiku, the one that is free, is not even their paid version. You can see if I want to use their paid version, I can subscribe to it in my account here, and it will give me access to the other module that is much smarter than this. You can see the free one, how the code it wrote. It is very detailed, and it is also showing you exactly how to work with the code and how to run it. This is one of the modules that I was just showing you in AWS Bedrock. So you can see here in AWS Bedrock, one of the base module is Claude 3 Haiku, which is the one I am using here. You can see right. I encourage you to start using Claude because it is one of the modules that is included in Amazon Bedrock.